Let's talk a bit more about the relationship between services and the rest of your application. When you're writing a component like a controller, you want to focus on one thing, which is setting up the model. The model should contain and retrieve the data that it needs, as well as have the methods required to respond to events from the user or other events like a timer event that might require the model to change. And when you're writing this controller code, you want some insulation from the outside world, not just for testability, but also for the sanity of keeping complexity out of your controller. And those are two reasons why services are useful. Someone, like Angular, can provide a service that wraps up all the intricate details of HTTP communication, and you can just ask Angular to pass the service to you by including $HTTP as one of the controller arguments. So you can use services from controllers, but you can also use services inside of directives if you ever write a custom directive, and also other services. We'll write our own service in a bit. Another service that we've seen, the interval service, is just one of many built-in services that Angular provides. Each of these services provides a specific feature for an application, a feature that, because it is wrapped in a service, it can be easily reused throughout the application. Let's take a look at another one of the built-in services, the log service. You'll find this useful for debugging and diagnostics if you ever run into trouble with Angular.